Hi, I'm Jason Fitzsimmons with Rinnai. We're at the 2025 AHR show in Orlando, Florida. Today I'm showing you the I-Series Plus boiler. This I-Series Plus boiler is an extension of our already successful I-Series boiler. This year what we've done is we've extended the product line to include even the larger BTUs, going all the way from 60, 90, 120, 150 in the new, 175 and 199,000 BTUs. A couple of things that are going to be great about this product is, just like our RX product, the Sensei RX tankless water heaters, these new I-Series Plus boilers use the gas adaptive valve, have the wonderful Bluetooth connection for easy setup, and the really great venting capabilities of using PVC venting all the way out to 70 feet. And it's just an easy product to set up. So if you're familiar with our tankless product, this is going to feel very familiar to you. So all the easy setup features that you know from our tankless product, you're going to find built in to our new I-Series Plus. So if you haven't seen it, please visit us at rinnai.us. Thank you.